Hello guys, wait a sec guys, sorry. So today in this YouTube video, we're gonna be, I'm sorry about the delays of YouTube videos. But anyway, today we're gonna be looking at this. Gosh, there's baby Finn.
I'm a buff baby that can dance like a man. I can shake a My name is Jeff. Bad boys, what you gonna do? These nuts.
Just a random thing. So they could type up things. You press search and just anyway, the cat is all like random games, kids, favorite.
Vamos, Manaus!
And this is a little random one.
No.
Okay, go. That bait one actually hurt me.
Nope.
You could just like twist your mom or something. This one with her ears. This is very annoying.
Wow. Penis! 3, 2, 1, go!
Awkward. I'm kidding.
Das ist meine Welt, du Arschloch. That's the sound of the police. Sorry, I ain't got no money, I'm not trying. Sorry, I ain't got no money, I'm not trying to be funny, but I left it all at home. Okay. No. These nuts. I'm a buff baby that can dance like a man. I can shake a my fanny, I can shake a. My name is Jeff. We will rock you. Sing it. We will rock you.
Sorry, I don't know how much subs this video will get, but good, bad, who knows what. Like over, like I think I'm like 18 or 17 subs when I'm doing this. Yeah, thank you for the people that subbed me. Okay, that was disgusting. Oh, I think it's a 9 cat. Oh, I thought 9 cat. Yeah, what? Yeah. I'm gonna type up cat.
Okay, here we go. Pokemon.
So this is the end of this video. I only just got this, guys. So this is what it's called. Right here. If you want to get it, you can. And hopefully it'll be good for you. Oh, wait a sec. How did you do that? We also did them just pushing it there. We also. Wait, I'm not going to end the video yet. I'm just going to quickly see how to do this. English. I really want to end that because I got very annoyed. Okay, so I found uploaded sound, create something, login settings, whatever. Create privacy.
Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you?
Well, anyway, this is the end of the video. Bye. Hope you like it.